Preparing for emergencies and disasters doesn't have to be an expensive endeavor. In fact, with careful planning and prioritization, people can build a comprehensive preparedness kit without breaking the bank. So this video is going to look into the essentials of practical prepping, focusing on cost-effective strategies and resources for building resilience in the face of unforeseen challenges. By adopting a systematic approach and investing wisely, people can enhance their ability to weather various emergencies, ensuring they have safety, security, and peace of mind for themselves and their loved ones. The foundations of preparedness. Before getting into specific preparedness measures, it's essential to understand the fundamental principles guiding effective prepping. At its core, preparedness entails anticipating and mitigating potential risks, thereby reducing vulnerabilities and increasing resilience. This proactive approach empowers people to respond calmly and decisively in times of crisis, minimizing negative impacts and safeguarding their well-being. One of the key tenets of preparedness is the establishment of a robust security emergency plan. This plan should outline procedures for various scenarios, including natural disasters, power outages, and even other emergencies. It should designate roles and responsibilities for each household member, establish communication protocols, and identify evacuation routes and safe havens. By formalizing these preparations, people can streamline their response efforts and mitigate confusion and panic during critical moments. Moreover, preparedness extends beyond physical supplies and logistical arrangements to encompass mental and emotional resilience. Building psychological preparedness involves cultivating a resilient mindset characterized by adaptability, resourcefulness, and optimism. People can develop these qualities through education, training, and exposure to challenging situations, enabling them to navigate adversity with grace and composure. Essential supplies and resources. With the foundational principles of preparedness in mind, let's look at the essential supplies and resources needed to weather emergencies effectively. While there is a gargantuan array of products and gadgets marketed to preppers, focusing on the essentials is paramount, particularly for those on a budget. By prioritizing the fundamental needs that we already know, food, water, shelter, and energy, people can build a comprehensive preparedness kit without overspending. Food is a critical component of any emergency preparedness plan. When selecting provisions, we know we need the shelf-stable items with long shelf lives: beans, rice, canned goods, powdered milk. These items provide essential nutrients and sustenance during extended periods of isolation or disruption. And by stocking up on these non-perishable staples, people can ensure their nutritional needs are met, even in the absence of fresh produce or refrigeration. Similarly, access to clean water is essential, of course, for survival during emergencies. While municipal water supplies may become compromised during disasters, people can maintain a reliable water source through storage and filtration systems. So consider investing in durable water containers like aquatainers and gravity filtration systems like the Sawyer filters to ensure access to potable water in any situation. And additionally, explore alternative water sources like rainwater harvesting and purification methods to supplement your supply during prolonged emergencies. In terms of shelter, prioritize securing your primary residence against potential threats and hazards. Assess your home's vulnerabilities and implement appropriate mitigation measures. Things like reinforcing your doors and windows, securing loose objects, and fortifying structural elements. Additionally, consider investing in portable shelter options like tents or tarps for temporary accommodation during evacuations or displacement. By proactively addressing these shelter concerns, people can enhance their safety and their comfort during emergencies. Energy is another critical consideration for emergency preparedness, as it powers essential devices and appliances. It provides illumination, and it maintains communication channels. While traditional energy sources may be unavailable during disasters, alternative energy solutions offer reliable backup options. Solar power systems, consisting of solar panels and portable generators, harness renewable energy to charge batteries, power electronics, and provide lighting. Additionally, portable stoves and cooking fuels enable people to prepare meals without access to traditional kitchen appliances, ensuring continuity of nutrition and comfort. Budget-friendly prepping strategies. While the importance of preparedness is undeniable, many people are deterred by the perceived cost of building a comprehensive emergency kit. But with strategic, careful planning and prudent investments, it's possible to achieve preparedness goals without overspending. So in this section, we'll look at budget-friendly prepping strategies and resources for maximizing preparedness on a limited budget. One of the most effective strategies for cost-conscious prepping is prioritization. Rather than trying to acquire every conceivable item at once, focus on obtaining essential supplies and resources that address immediate needs and vulnerabilities. Start by conducting a thorough assessment of your household's requirements, identifying critical areas of concern like the food, the water, the shelter, and the medical care. Allocate your budget accordingly, investing in high-priority items that offer the greatest utility and versatility. Additionally, consider adopting a phased approach to preparedness, gradually building your emergency kit over time. Begin by acquiring those basic necessities, the food, the water, and the first aid supplies, before expanding your provisions to include additional items and resources. And by spreading out your purchases and investments, you can minimize the financial strain while steadily improving your level of preparedness. Set achievable goals and milestones, tracking your progress and adjusting your plans as needed to accommodate changing circumstances. Furthermore, leverage cost-saving strategies and resources to stretch your preparedness budget further. Look for sales, discounts, and bulk purchasing opportunities to lower the cost of essential supplies and equipment. Explore alternative sources of funding like government assistance programs, community grants, and crowdfunding platforms to offset expenses and access additional resources. Additionally, consider repurposing and repackaging existing items to serve multiple functions within your emergency kit, reducing the need for additional purposes. Practical prepping is both attainable and affordable with careful planning and prudent investments. By focusing on essential needs and priorities, individuals can build a comprehensive preparedness kit that enhances their resilience and their readiness for emergencies. Prioritize critical areas, the food, the water, the shelter, and energy, investing in cost-effective solutions that offer practical benefits and versatility. Adopt a phased approach to preparedness, gradually expanding your provisions over time while remaining mindful of your budgetary constraints. Remember, everyone has to start somewhere. Even having 2 weeks' worth of food and water is better than having nothing. Leverage cost-saving strategies and resources to maximize the value of your preparedness investments, ensuring optimal outcomes and peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones. With dedication, resourcefulness, and a commitment to readiness, you can navigate emergencies with confidence and resilience, safeguarding your well-being and security in any situation.